been around since ancient times and has been used in traditional Eastern medicine. One of its active ingredients, curcumin, was isolated in the year 1815. Today, it is used as coloring and spicing agent throughout different cuisines. Remember, turmeric is not just a spice. It has many medicinal properties. Studies have shown that it is very safe, even up to 12 grams per day. That's 4 teaspoons. However, it is important to understand that everyone may require a slightly different dose depending on their health condition. It does have some gastrointestinal side effects at high doses and interacts with some commonly used medicines. Hence, one should seek proper holistic consultation before starting turmeric. Turmeric increases breast milk production, as shown in this animation, by a large percentage. Turmeric decreases the incidence of heart attacks following cardiac bypass surgery by a whopping 65%, as shown in this trial of 121 cardiac bypass patients. Although turmeric has many more benefits, unfortunately, it has very low bioavailability, which means low absorption from the gut and rapid elimination from the body. So what can you do? You could use agents such as black pepper to increase the absorption of turmeric into the body by a ginormous 2000%, as shown here. Furthermore, you could add fat, such as milk, as well as heat to increase the absorption of turmeric. That is why golden milk is such a powerful tonic. Please kindly subscribe, call for your holistic consultation, and begin your own journey to health and happiness. Thank you for watching.